Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to our Thursday tutorial. We're getting a little bit of a rough start. For some reason, Facebook doesn't want to let me flip my camera during videos, so we had to start over. So Kat is back with us. Hi, Kat. Just one of those days. We gotta roll with the punches. So it's almost Christmas. I hope everyone is ready for the holidays. I'm ready. The kids are downstairs baking bacon bread, which is super good and super unhealthy. But you know, if Christmas isn't the time to do that, then what is? And they're also making stromboli for dinner, so which is kind of like a braided pizza bread type of thing. So that should be something yummy. All right, so let's get started. So I wanted to, over the next 2 months, share with you some of the new Celebration items. Now I can show you the cover of our Celebration catalog. I can't show you the inside yet, but full of all kinds of fun, cute little springtimey stamp sets. We have flowers, we have animals, we have, you know, rainbows, all kinds of cool things. So I wanted to share two of the products with you today from the Celebration. We're going to use this awesome Otter stamp set. I love how Stampin' Up's kind of going through the animals. we have a hedgehog in the mini catalog. We have otters in this one. We had donkeys last time. Just all kinds of cute things. So these otters are super cute. And then one of the other items in the Celebration is the 6x6 rainbow, what's it called? Rainbow, Sunshine and Rainbows designer paper. So I'll kind of slowly go through the one patterns we have here. We have, there's lots of pretty bright colors, stripes, polka dots, rainbows. We have sunshines. I'm not doing this very successfully. Stripes. And then on the other side, of course, I always love the neutral sides too. We have, and some were already flipped because I've been playing with these. Look at all these great neutral patterns. All kinds of great colors. So on our first card today, we're just doing a real quick and easy kid's birthday card using lots of fun bright colors. Now, two of my favorites in here, I mean, polka dots. Anytime I can use polka dots, I am right there because I love polka dots. And then a fun stripe. Let's see if I can find the stripey one I'm using. Oh, right here. Right here. Because it's got all the same colors, super fun. I just love colors. This has little hearts on a pool party background, and this one has the big bold stripes. But I like little stripes. I don't know. For this card anyway. So let's get started very quick. So we're doing a using Mango Melody for our card base. But you could use, I chose a color palette that's kind of more neutral, so it could be boy or girl. But with the colors in here, you could do more boy backgrounds or colors or girl colors or whatever. So it's super, super versatile. All right, so I'm going to use kind of a larger piece here, and I'll post the measurements on my blog. And then I just cut a long stripey piece to go right here. And we're going to just stamp a sentiment. I'm going to stamp it's birthday time. And I'm hoping I get it straight. Let's practice once. See if that comes out. Maybe down just a little bit on the right. I'm going to stamp it on this yellow line. I'm going to just do one of the lighter colors. Okay. I'm going to do it here. Maybe come down just to, that's probably not straight at all. That's okay. It's okay if it's not straight. You guys aren't going to give me too much grief, are you? If it's not straight. All right, so next we're going to stamp our birthday otter. We're using Memento ink. And he's got a birthday hat. Let's get a hat out and stamp that. We'll just stick this on the back of our sentiment. All right. We're going to do a little bit of coloring. So I had to Google otters to find out what color otters are. Turns out they're crumb cake. So we're going to do, now you could make any color otter you want. I'm just doing, on the otters, the belly is kind of a lighter shade of brown. And then I like to go back in just a little bit and do a little extra shading. And then the outside's a little darker brown. I do just a quick coloring, and I am trying to keep the eyes white. All right. I'm coloring because this card's super simple. And you don't have to be super detailed on your coloring. These are nice and easy to color because they're they got nice thick lines. So it's easier to stay in the lines. Okay. And we're gonna give him, I like to use the light. Whoa, there goes all my stuff. Just fell right over. Okay, I like to use the light basic black because you can still see kind of the shading in there. So, grab my other markers. So I'm just using some regular markers to do the hat because I wanted to use Mango Melody. We don't have this in a blends marker, believe it or not. I don't think. So I just want to use this. Let's see, we'll do it, kind of color that. It's okay if I go outside the lines because we're going to cut these out. And we're going to use a little grainy apple green for our polka dots. These look kind of like little boy colors. All right. So we'll go ahead and cut these out, and then we'll do our assembly. So we can just cut out our little hat, and I already cut out an otter just to save a little bit of time. And you can leave a little white if you want. These have thick enough lines that I like to just cut right on the line. If you have thick outlines, that gives you a little more leeway in the cutting process. All right. Does that look, that's close enough. I have to get my head in there really far to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I've already cut out little otter, just to save some time. So let's adhere this stripe piece to our polka dot piece. All right. That looks good. And then we have some fun new baker's twine in the mini catalog. It has a green, kind of a poppy and white striped, and then it's not navy, I think it's Midnight Muse. This is with a little sports themed suite in the mini catalog, which I really love, but we're going to use it for this. And I'm going to tie a little bow right under my sentiment, and I'm not too worried. So when I tie this bow, I'm pulling it, see how I'm pulling it kind of tight? It's hard to get bows real tight, so I pull it extra tight. See, even though my paper is a little bit bowed, I can kind of pull a little bit and give it a little slack. Sometimes it's easier to tie bows that way. You can try it and see if it works for you. If it doesn't, that's okay. It will work for someone. Okay, so I'm going to put this right on this Mango Melody stripe right below my sentiment. Okay, and then we're going to just put this on our card front. Look at that pretty color in the back. It's just like saying hello. Hello when we flip it over. Okay, now we're going to pop up our otter. My brother once, my daughter was is a filmmaker. She likes to make films, and so my brother had an idea for a animated movie, and he wants somebody to make it called Grand Theft Otter, like Grand Theft Auto, except it's otters. Otters always make me think of my brother for that reason. Okay, now isn't that cute? So we could leave it as is, or we could bring in some of my favorite sequins right here. We have the Artistry Bloom sequins, which are self-adhesive, but it has all the colors that go with this, which I love. So we have some mango sequins. So I'm just gonna pop one up here. We have Pool Party. Look, I'm putting lots of sequins. People give me, my classes give me grief because sometimes I only let them have a couple of sequins. But look, I'm doing a whole bunch on this one because it's so cute. Okay, let's flip that over. I know my sequins are a mess. It's okay though. All right, I think that's probably good. All right, that's 4. I could have varied the sizes and it would look just as cute. So so that's it. I mean, how quick and stinking cute is that? Super easy. And there's so many colors and patterns in here that you could do all kinds of cute little birthday cards or party favors even. So I think that's it for today. I will post measurements and supplies on my blog. If you place an order this month online, please use the host code below and you will get a free gift in the mail. And I will see you actually Saturday, which is Christmas Day. I have another cute project planned for the awesome Otters stamp set. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.